Ever pondered over what it takes to morph into a full-stack developer? The journey, while challenging, is certainly attainable. Today we'll chart a course through this fascinating landscape one step at a time. Imagine a sandwich. A full-stack developer is like the person who knows how to make every part of that sandwich, from baking the bread, to slicing the cheese, to curing the meat. In the world of technology, this means understanding and working with both front-end and back-end technologies. Let's start with step 1, learning the basics. This includes getting comfortable with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the building blocks of web development. HTML and CSS set up the structure and style of a web page, while JavaScript makes it interactive. Next, step 2, mastering front-end frameworks. Frameworks like React.js, AngularJS, or Vue.js give you the tools to create more complex and dynamic websites. They're like power tools in a developer's toolkit, helping to streamline and enhance the construction process. Step 3 involves diving into the back end. This is where the magic happens behind the scenes. Here, you'll be working with servers, databases, and application logic. Languages like Python, Ruby, PHP, or Java often come into play, along with frameworks like Node.js. In step 4, you'll learn about databases and servers. This knowledge allows you to store, retrieve, and manipulate data for your applications. SQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL are some of the tools you might encounter on this part of the journey. Step 5 brings us to version control systems. These are like time machines for your code, allowing you to track changes, revert to previous versions, and work collaboratively with other developers. Git is a popular choice in this domain. Finally, in step 6, you'll learn about testing and deployment. This involves making sure your applications work as expected and can be successfully launched for users to enjoy. Tools like Jest, Mocha, or Jasmine can be used for testing, while Heroku, AWS, or Google Cloud are common platforms for deployment. Now let's take a moment to recap this roadmap. It starts with learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then you move on to mastering front-end frameworks and diving into back-end languages and frameworks. You learn about databases and servers, and then delve into version control systems. Lastly, you learn about testing and deployment. Becoming a full-stack developer is like piecing together a complex puzzle. Each piece, from front-end to back-end, from HTML to deployment, is crucial in creating a complete picture. But remember, it's not about rushing to the finish line. It's about understanding and enjoying the process, one step at a time. So, are you ready to embark on this journey and become a full-stack developer?